What's up everybody, welcome back to Smell Good Feel Good. I'm Cody, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of samples that my buddy Bilal sent to me, so stand fast. Alrighty guys, so first off I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Bilal. He has been super supportive of me and my channel, and he has sent me samples of stuff in the past, and he has once again sent me a package of samples. And I think there's only like 2 things in this bag that I know he sent me, and the rest are all just kind of a surprise because I was like, man, I don't know, man, just whatever you think I should get my nose on. So he's trying to help expand my my profile or whatever of niche fragrances, or expand my experience with niche or higher end fragrances. So anyways, Bilal, thank you very much for this, and I'm sure everybody in this, everybody watching this video are also going to thank you for this, because all these fragrances, guys, I'm going to do full reviews on after I've had time to test them. So anyways, this is just a sneak peek, basically, of what you are going to be seeing in the future as far as reviews go. So, let's see, one of the first... Luckily, it's wrapped up and I have carpet, but one of the first fragrances is Parfums de Marly Percival. I've really have been wanting to smell this fragrance. A lot of people that I know have told me really good things about it, saying it's one of their favorite Parfums de Marly fragrances, and I almost thought about blind buying this one to wear as like an office fragrance or something like that. But now I'll be able to test it out before I pull the trigger on it. Okay, next up, it's like reaching into the magical hat here. Next we have Javoy Remember Me. Now, I never really knew about Javoy until Bilal kind of talked to me about the fragrance house. I believe I might have heard Sebastian from Smelling Great Fragrances mentioned Javoy fragrances a couple of times, but I've never seen them before anywhere, and I haven't been able to experience them at all. But Bilal was like, dude, you need to try smelling some of these Javoy fragrances, so he hooked me up. This one is Remember Me, so I'll be doing a full review and first impressions on this as well. Alright, next up we have Parfums de Marly Wajan. I've heard really good things about this one. I heard it's kind of like an apple pie type smell. I have smelled Alexandria Fragrances Apple Crumb, which I believe might be a clone of this. I don't know, I'll have to double check that on the internet and then compare them side by side. But if it is a clone, or if Alexandria's Apple Crumb is a clone of this, then I know I'm really going to like it, because that is a very nice gourmand fragrance. But anyways, yep, Parfums de Marly Wajan. I think I'm saying that right. Okay, what's next? We've got Nichene Fan Your Flames. This is one of the ones that I specifically, when I saw that he had, I was like, bro, if I could just get my nose on that Fan Your Flames, I'd be super happy. And yeah, he thinks I'm going to like this one a lot, because I do like the note of coconut when I actually can smell it, because sometimes, for whatever reason, my nose just doesn't pick up on the smell of coconut, while others around me are like, oh, that smells a lot like a lot of coconut. I'm like, well, I don't smell anything. But anyways, yeah, I can't wait to try this one out. I've been eyeballing it for a really long time, almost blind bought it, but I'm trying to not blind buy fragrances. I'm trying to buy samples to test them out first, so I don't get disappointed. And luckily, Bilal hooked me up, so thanks again, brother. All right, let's see. He sent quite a few samples. It's really awesome of him. Let's see, next we have Tiziana Terenzi Ecstasy. Now, I have one of the first fragrances he sent me a sample of was a Tiziana Terenzi fragrance. I'm trying to remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I really, really liked it. It was a nice gourmand fragrance. I did a video review on my channel of that sample. But yeah, they look like a very nice fragrance house, a niche house, and the price points vary quite a bit, it seems, but you can get a lot of them for pretty cheap off of places like Fragrance Buy. So look, I'm smelling one of these a little bit. I don't know if it's this one or something else, but something smells good. But anyways, that'll be up for review in the future. Let's see, we've got 2 more. All right, here we go. This one is Mancera Velvet Vanilla. Wow, okay, so I already know that this one's going to be a powerhouse probably, but never know until you try it. But I really like the scent of vanilla, so I'll probably really, really like this one, but I don't know much about it, and I feel like Mancera's just got so many fragrances out there, it's really hard to keep up. But looking forward to reviewing this one, so that's awesome. Okay, last and certainly not least is Xerjoff Ivory Route, Route, R-O-U-T-E. I have never smelled a Xerjoff fragrance, so this is really, really neat that I'm finally going to get my nose on one. Based off the name of that, I have no idea what it's going to smell like. As soon as I get off of here, I'm probably going to go look it up on Fragrantica because that sounds really interesting, and I know that Xerjoff's a really, really good house. But yeah, guys, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 samples and 7 fragrances that I will be doing future reviews on. So make sure you stay tuned for those. Let me know down below which of these you guys really, really like, which ones you don't like, and I'll check up on that. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help me reach my goal of 550 by the end of 2020. And I will see you all next time in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.